What is up, guys? This is Tookie Games 28 HD here, and today I am joined by Matty.
Hi.
So we're at Truckfest, and yesterday I was at Ollie Murs and saw the horse racing, and I've made a video about that. Got to edit it, upload it, and so that would have gone up before this. So maybe you'd have seen that. If not, go check it out. And yeah, we're at Truckfest. There's loads of trucks and it's a festival, hence the name, and there's loads of stalls, and I'll film some trucks, I'll put some pictures of them in here, and it's really fun. Wait, I'm filming. Press it. This one's nice. That is nice. That is actually really nice.
What did that happen when someone was in there?
That is really. He thought his camera was there, so he's putting his finger over it and it wasn't filming.
This is
Pretty clever.
This is.
Oh, 360. That's the games though. Just
Man, I love these things, Mikey.
They're bigger than me.
I think there's a lot of things that are bigger than you, Mikey.
Yeah, well. Whoa! Imagine that on the A47. Wow. He's driving sideways. So what he's going to do now is just going to dent the first car, just to make a little ramp, to make it easier to go up.
Absolutely, no problem going to the